Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Verify your chess. Com account and make sure your email is confirmed. This prevents delays when submitting evidence. Next, establish a realistic rating baseline and set a numeric short-term goal because titles depend on measurable ratings and norms. Also secure access to rated events, join organizer-run tournaments or league play so you can record qualifying games. Once these are in place, you'll be ready to collect the specific performance results required for a title application. You must now convert practice into verified achievements by earning norms and rating thresholds. Play the right time controls and prioritize events with official pairings and arbiters. These validate your results. Make sure to export PGNs and save tournament cross-stables and standings immediately after each event because proof is required. Also record opponent usernames and arbiter contact details. This prevents disputes later. Once you accumulate the necessary norms and rating, double-check every file so your application will be complete, and you finish by assembling and submitting a clean application. Include your profile link, all PGNs, tournament reports, opponent lists, and any fees paid. Describe each event briefly so reviewers see how norms were earned, and double-check that reported ratings match the official records. If your request stalls, look for common issues, missing documents, rating calculation gaps, or incorrect event ID, and address them. If problems persist, contact chess, com support, or the tournament arbiter with concise evidence to resolve discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.